Ladybug and Cat Noir are starting school. What are superhero classes like? Watch our new video to find out. Ladybug needs a new backpack. Outline a circle on red foam paper. Cut 2 identical pieces out. Draw a line on a sheet of black foam paper. Add a black strip to the sides. Add a second circle. Add a head. Make cuts. Add the top part of the backpack. We need some straps. Make them out of foam paper.
Wow!
Hi, Queen Bee! Ladybug, did you do your homework? Of course! I didn't finish mine. Can I look at your answers? Sure! Let's get on the bus and take a look together. My backpack is perfect for school. Ladybug, class is starting. Let's make a desk. Cut out the bottom part of some wooden signs. Measure the desktop. Shape the coffee stirrers to look like legs. Cut a piece. Hot glue a coffee stirrer like this. Attach a desktop. Draw an even line on a wooden surface. 2 pieces are ready. Glue the pieces and the coffee stirrers. A place to study is ready. Color Ladybug's desk. Draw ladybugs with acrylic paint. What a nice desk! It's perfect for me! I love studying! Sorry, Professor Hawkmoth, I'm a little late. I was busy saving the city. Do that on your own time. That's not an excuse to skip classes. Take a seat. Can I go to the board? No! Queen Bee is answering the question. Let's solve some problems. 17 minus 9. I hate math. The answer is 8. Ladybug, no talking, or I'll send you to the principal. Sharpen a toothpick like this. Break off a piece. Cover it with acrylic paint. Colorful pencils are ready. Let's make a blueprint tube out of a straw. Attach the bottom. Cut it out. Put the pencils in. Use a plastic straw as a lid, with part of an eraser on top. Draw even lines on paper. Cut. Fold it in half. Put the paper pieces inside a sheet of colored paper. So, we made colorful notebooks. Put them inside a backpack. Draw a rectangle on a sheet of thick cardboard. Cut it out. Cover it with red acrylic paint. Top it with clear nail polish. Add sheets of white paper. Attach a small clasp. We made a clipboard with a binder clip. Art is my favorite class. I love painting and drawing. And I like making things out of clay. It's so soothing. Cat Noir, what are you making? What am I making? It's you, Ladybug. You're my muse. Take a counting rod box. Remove the extra plastic. Use a sponge to paint the box red. Cut pieces out of foam paper. Add them as securing tabs. Add shelves. Cover them with red acrylic paint. Draw even lines on the door. Add a ladybug-shaped decoration as a handle. Add Ladybug's signature design. Print stickers with superheroes. Cut some out. Decorate the inside with stickers. This locker is just what I need. It's so cute. Mine is nice too. What do you think, Ladybug? Are these photos of me? No, they're not. This is so awkward. You know, I have pictures of you in my locker too. That's wonderful! Cut a piece of an eraser. Ladybug, your eraser is ready! Thanks! Now it's much easier to draw. Draw a palette on a sheet of thick cardboard. Top it with clear nail polish. Cut it out. Add acrylic paints. These are my favorite paints! It's time for art! Sharpen a toothpick. Cut a piece. Take some bristles from a paintbrush. Apply hot glue to a toothpick. Glue the bristles. Ladybug, your painting brush is ready! It's very small. We have paints and a paintbrush, and I have an idea! Make outlines for an easel on a sheet of thick cardboard. Cut 2 pieces out. Connect them at the top. Add a white canvas. I have everything I need! Now I can create my own masterpiece! Dip the paintbrush in water. Add some paint. Let's start painting! A red circle, black silhouettes. What did you draw, Ladybug? It's my talisman to protect me from Akumas. Can't you tell? Outline a backpack on a sheet of textured foam paper. Cut it out. Cover the edges with a strip of foam paper. Add Velcro. Add foam paper straps. Draw paw prints on a sheet of green foam paper. Cut it out. Glue them to the backpack. Take sticky rhinestones. Decorate the sides of the backpack. Yay! Now I have a backpack for school! It holds all my school supplies, and it's very eye-catching! Cat Noir, what a nice backpack! Can I have one of those? I doubt it. It's a designer backpack for a superhero. Let's make a pencil case for Cat Noir. Cut a rectangular piece. Fold it in half. Decorate the pencil case. Now I'll never confuse my pencil case with someone else's. Let's start our lesson. Cat Noir, are you ready for class? Of course! I keep everything I need with me at all times. Cut a piece of a wooden skewer. Draw markings with a fine liner. Put a ruler inside Cat Noir's pencil case. Take identical pins. Remove the top parts. Crisscross them. Decorate the attachment point with a rhinestone. Put the superhero scissors inside the pencil case. Take the ink rod out of a ballpoint pen. Remove the writing part. Put it inside a thin straw. Trim it. Seal it with hot glue. Glue a picture of Cat Noir. A stationery set for Cat Noir is ready. Put it inside the pencil case. Carrying pens and a ruler in my pencil case is the best. Take a black folder. Outline a computer desk and a chair. Cut it out. Draw a paw print on the chair back. Glue all the pieces together to make a chair. Take a seat, Cat Noir. Draw a paw print on a piece of a transparent folder. Glue them to a desktop. Cut out table legs. The desk is ready for Cat Noir. I need a computer! Glue the LaLiLu logo onto a piece of plastic. Cut it out. Shape a computer monitor. Make the bottom part of the computer out of a straw. Turn rhinestones into small computer bulbs. Attach the screen to the desk. Add a keyboard and a mouse made of a rhinestone. Trim a pen cap. Secure a bead inside the pen cap. Turn rhinestones into a base for the lamp. Everything is ready for work! I love classes in the computer lab! Bend a sheet of foam paper in half. Draw half of a circle. Cut it out. Fold a paper strip like this. Secure it inside a foam paper envelope. Cut it along the outlines. We made a notebook! Cut a strip out of black felt. Shape a clasp. Decorate it with paw-shaped rhinestones. A sketchbook is ready! My notebook should be in my locker. Here it is! Hurry up! I need to make drafts of my invention. Remove a glitter bottle cap. Paint it black. Add a green rhinestone. Shape a handle out of felt. Decorate with small rhinestones. Cat Noir, here is your croissant. Lunch at the superhero school is always fun. Ladybug, have a croissant. Thanks, Cat Noir. What did you like the most? The locker? The backpack? The computer? Or the lunchbox? Comment below, like our video, subscribe to LaLiLu, and click the bell so you don't miss any of our new videos.